Hi, my name is Randy Shear, and I'm a technical curriculum developer here at Jitterbit, and I'm glad you could join me as I walk through the setup process for the Workday NetSuite Employee Onboarding Offboarding Process Template. First, I want to explain what a process template is. The Cloud Studio process templates are groups of pre-built integration use cases that accelerate the execution of a specific business process using numerous objects across multiple applications or systems. Process templates are designed to reduce the time to deployment by 50 to 80% and can be self-implemented, delivered by Jitterbit Professional Services, or delivered by an implementation partner. For access to a process template, contact your Customer Success Manager. The Workday NetSuite Employee Onboarding Offboarding Process Template solves many issues that come with the process of onboarding and offboarding workers. For new hire onboarding, you can quickly automate the creation of contacts in NetSuite from Workday. For employees offboarding, you can automate the termination of contacts from Workday to NetSuite. You also get real-time visibility into employee onboarding and offboarding. Boost employee productivity and satisfaction, as well as improve employee retention. Now, let's start with installing the process template. Now it's time to install the process template. I'll log into the Jitterbit Harmony portal and open Cloud Studio. I'll click on the Import, then click Browse to find the JSON file I want to import. When importing each project file, I will select my proper environment because Jitterbit is capable of having multiple environments. I will also include success and failure emails and include schedules. After importing the project opens automatically. Each project has its own independent set of project variables. To set the values of these variables, I'll go into the project variable list by clicking the action menu icon, which are the three dots at the top of the project pane. I will then select project variables from the drop-down menu. Then set or modify the values as appropriate. When I am done entering all the appropriate values, I will click the X at the top, which will take me back to the project. There is a list of variables that need to be changed in the supporting documentation guide. Prior to running any of the project operations, I need to open each of the configured connectors, both NetSuite and Workday, and test the connection to confirm that the supplied credentials work with the endpoint. First, I will check NetSuite to see if the connection is successful. To do this, I will double-click on the NetSuite connector and scroll down to the bottom where I see the button called Test. When the button is clicked, it will take all the variable settings I used in the last step to see if there is a successful connection to my specific NetSuite connector. If it was successful, I'll see a green message saying Connection Success. If it was not successful, I will get an error message. I see that my connector was set up correctly, and I will click the X at the top and do the same thing for the Workday connector. Once this step has been completed, I can deploy and run each project in the proper order as listed in the documentation guide. If you have any questions, please check out the information located at Success Central by going to success.jitterbit.com.